Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Kodiak protein-packed cornbread mix. I'm going to be preparing the actual cornbread rather than muffins, and I'm also going to be making it in the Kodiak pro tip kind of way, but I'm going to go ahead and give you all the instructions. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're definitely going to need your cornbread mix, a bowl to mix it up in, a pan to put it in, some cooking spray to grease your pan with, or some butter, whatever you'd like to use. We're gonna need milk, melted butter, eggs, some toothpicks to check and make sure that it's done, and then a spoon to mix everything up with, and your measuring cups. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be using today an 8x8 pan. They recommend a 9x9 pan. So this is all that I have available. I'm definitely gonna come back and let you know in the end how long it took to make it in the 8x8 pan. But first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna go ahead and grease our pan. And then set that aside. Now let's get our cornbread mix opened up and get everything in here that we need. All right, so now we're gonna combine all of our ingredients into our bowl. So first I'm gonna put in my cornbread mix. Now, because I'm doing the Kodiak Pro Tip way, I am going to be using 3 eggs, but if you don't wanna make it that way, go ahead and just use 2 eggs. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add in our 2/3 of a cup melted butter, which is what this is. And then I'm going to add in 2 whole cups of milk. If you don't wanna do the Kodiak Pro Tip way, just go ahead and put in 1 3/4 cup. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we're just gonna stir this all together until it's well blended. Now that we've got this all mixed up, we're gonna add it to our pan. Now, their recommendation for a 9x9 inch pan is to cook this for 30 to 35 minutes. Because I'm using an 8x8 inch pan, I will probably have to cook this longer, so I'm gonna come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. All right guys, it has been exactly 40 minutes in my oven with the 8x8 inch pan, and we're just gonna take a toothpick here, insert it in the center, and see if it comes out clean. All right, that looks pretty clean. I'd say we're good to go. So here is our completed Kodiak protein-packed cornbread mix. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.